Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your MetaTrader 5 password. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your MetaTrader 5 account. After that, what you want to do is click on Settings. After that, click on your account and click it. And you'll find Change Password right here. Click it and click the password that you want to change. After that, you'll be able to change your password. It's easy and simple. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to hit thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.